Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about time-saving tips for cleaning your home. Keeping your home clean and tidy can be a daunting task, but with these tips, you can save time and get the job done more efficiently. Use the right cleaning tools. Invest in high-quality cleaning supplies such as microfiber cloths, squeegees, and vacuum cleaners with strong suction. Having the right tools will make cleaning more effective and save you time in the long run. Clean as you go. Cleaning as you go is an efficient way to maintain a clean home. As you move from one room to another, pick up items and put them away in their designated spots. Clean up spills or messes immediately to prevent them from becoming bigger problems later. Use multi-purpose cleaners. Choose cleaners that are safe for multiple surfaces, such as all-purpose sprays or vinegar-based solutions. This eliminates the need for multiple cleaners and saves time when switching between tasks. Declutter regularly. Remove any items you no longer need or use to prevent clutter from building up. This makes it easier to clean and frees up space in your home. Set a timer. Decide on a reasonable amount of time for each task, such as 20 minutes for cleaning the bathroom. This will help you stay on track and avoid getting bogged down in one area. Use the 2-bucket method. When mopping floors, use the 2-bucket method to save time. Fill one bucket with clean water and one with cleaning solution. Dip your mop in the cleaning solution bucket, wring it out, then rinse it in the clean water bucket before repeating. This helps to prevent streaks and saves time by eliminating the need to constantly refill the cleaning solution bucket. Clean top to bottom. Start at the highest point in the room, such as the ceiling or high shelves, and work your way down to the floor. This prevents dust and debris from falling onto areas you've already cleaned. Use a cleaning caddy. Fill your caddy with all the supplies you need for each task, such as microfiber cloths, sprays, and brushes. This saves time and prevents trips back and forth to the supply closet. Use a vacuum with attachments. Using a vacuum with attachments makes it easier to clean hard-to-reach areas such as corners, baseboards, and upholstery. This saves time and ensures a more thorough clean. Get the whole family involved. Assign age-appropriate tasks to each family member, such as dusting or vacuuming. This not only saves time but also teaches responsibility and encourages teamwork. Focus on high-traffic areas. Focus your cleaning efforts on high-traffic areas such as entryways, kitchens, and bathrooms. These areas tend to get the dirtiest, and cleaning them regularly can save time in the long run. And that's it. These are our top 11 time-saving tips for cleaning your home. By using these tips, you can save time and keep your home clean and organized. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.